Hi everyone! Welcome back to Belajar bersama. Are you ready for the quiz? Yes? And we have something special about filling trees' holes. Now, I want to give this to Miss Desi. Miss Desi, here you go.
Thank you, Sandia. Okay, I have the trees of hopes from Sandia. Later, after the quiz, we are going to put the colors on this canvas with our fingers. How you gonna do it? I will explain later. Now, let's do with the quiz. Ready?
Ready!
Very good. We'll start with these questions. This is called a color
Wheel.
A color wheel. Good job. Next questions. What are the three primary colors? Can you help me?
Me.
Yes?
The answer is C. Red, blue, and yellow.
C. Red, blue, and yellow. Let's check it out. Very good. Yes, good. Applause. Okay. So, what color is the mixing of red and blue?
Purple.
Red, mixing red and blue becomes purple. Good job. Okay, next questions. What do you get when you mix two primary colors? What about the students at home? Can you help me? Well done. Secondary color. Next questions. How do you make a primary color? Anyone can help me with these questions?
Me, Miss.
Yes?
The answer is D. You cannot make them.
Yes, very good. You cannot make them because this is the basic color, okay? The three colors, remember? Okay, good job. Give applause. You're so excited, yeah? Okay, next questions. Complementary colors make each other look. Can you help me, the students at home? Darker? No, actually, complementary color help us to make the colors become brighter. Okay, now I need you guys to help me to answer these questions. Who wants to help me?
Me.
Okay,
The answer is B. Secondary.
what color category does purple belong to? Okay, so your answer is
B. Secondary.
secondary. Very good. All right. Next. How do you identify the complementary colors? Can you help me? Silence means I have to answer by myself. Okay. So, how do you identify the complementary color? The answer is C. Opposite each other, complementary. That's the color, the opposite color. Next questions. I need the students at home to answer this part. Primary and secondary becomes, yes, tertiary colors. Okay. Last but not least, the next questions. Number 10. Do you want me to help or you can answer?
Sorry, Miss. Answer is A. One color plus white.
Okay, what does the monochrome mean? The monochrome means one color with the white. Very good. Give applause to everyone here. Okay, as I promised you in the beginning, you are going to put your fingers on this canvas, on the tree of hopes with the color palette. I have put the colors on my palette. So, I will take 3 colors on my finger and I'll put as the leaf on the branch. Okay? Now I need you to do it. Come on, dear. Come forward and take your color. Enggak. Next. Okay, here. Well, this is the tree of our hopes. Thank you and go back to Sandia. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Miss Desi. Wow, I'm so happy. Today we learned lots about colors. Kita sudah tahu kosakata yang berhubungan dengan colors dalam bahasa Inggris. Teman-teman, jangan lupa ya, selalu saksikan program Belajar Bersama di TVRI, of course with different topic each episodes. I have a quote for you, friends. Just keep learning, keep improving, and keep growing. I'm Sandia Jayanti. We'll see you in the next episodes. Bye-bye!